Well, the week has started with the normal great collection of machinery in the workshop, and new to us is this customer's E46 M3, which I've already been inundated with requests from other customers who have seen it. Will he sell it? Will he sell it? Silver, black leather, manual, and only 38,000 miles. He's had it from new, wants to keep it forever, and instruction to us is he's no longer satisfied with the way his BMW dealership can look after the car for him, and wants to make sure it is completely up to date with all its sort of age-related preventive maintenance. Obviously we'll be checking the boot floor for cracks, which is one of the obvious checks on this, but also corrosion. E46 M3s, we're starting to see lots of tin worm. Stunning example, this one. And another 635 has joined us in the workshop this morning, as you can see, and we are spoilt with 635 Highlines at the moment because we seem to be getting the best of the best. This gorgeous cinema red one with Lotus leather, again in for a sort of big age-related makeover. There's nothing fundamentally wrong with it. The car's got absolute total integrity, but just age-related work and preventive work, both mechanical and body work, but with only 59,000 miles. Summer also brings track day weather as well, and track day season, and this quite focused but road usable E36 M3 Evo is in the workshop for prep work for its first Nürburgring trip of the year. An induction kit, coilover, suspension, hard brake pads, braided brake lines, poly brushed all the way through. We'll be looking at building a shorter diff for the car later on in the year for the owner, for UK track days, where a shorter ratio is more suited. 1M on the ramp for PDI, front and rear brakes, wiper blades and some new LED side repeaters ready for the customer to collect on Saturday. Work is drawing to an end on this very, very special, very low mileage, 31,000 mile from new Cirrus Blue with Lotus leather 635 Highline, which is in for, I mean the car is exceptional, but it's in for its age-related big birthday, having only actually been ever looked after by the BMW main dealer network. So although serviced regularly, it is a little behind on age-related preventive stuff, which is having a good catch up now, and this will be finished end of this week. Work continues this week in a big push with the 2500 E3 Saloon that was featured before. We're on the home run now, ready for the car's maiden voyage with the new owner this summer. Very big age-related mechanical makeover. We're seeing more and more convertibles. It's that time of year, everybody getting ready to have their summer roof down motoring. But we are inundated with 325 convertibles at the moment. We've got two motorsports and this rather lovely 52,000 mile one that's just been through the workshop for its summer prep. It lives in fantastic winter storage. But yeah, just prepped for the summer for the owner. But it's absolutely gorgeous, Calypso red with only 52,000 miles. Cam belt, inspection 2 service this year.